They thought I died, I just stopped caring. Left my heart where the world stopped staring. Every backstab birthed this calm. Every scar became my song. The grave was peace, I slept awake. Watched the liars drown in what they make. They call me gone, but I still roam. A ghost that built his own throne.
You can't kill what's already dead. He walks in silence with truth instead. No more pain, no breath to take. He sees through souls the moment they fake. He's not waiting, not playing your game. He remembers betrayal, he remembers the flame. You can't hurt what shed his skin. He's the ghost, and he walks within.
I was left in dirt with a crown of thorns. Now I wear fire, the calm reborn. Backstab a smile with trembling grace. But ghosts don't flinch, I see through the face. Betrayal taught what love won't say. That silence costs more than pain can pay. They buried me deep but forgot to see. Now I bloom where they bleed. I don't feel lost, I don't feel shame. Just echoes whispering the same old name. My patience thin, my mercy gone. Cross that line and your soul's withdrawn. I don't revenge, I erase the trace. No screams, no tears, just an empty space. I move unseen, a phantom's vow. They pray I don't remember now.
You can't kill what's already dead. He walks in silence with truth instead. No more pain, no breath to take. He sees through souls the moment they fake. He's not waiting, not playing your game. He remembers betrayal, he remembers the flame. You can't hurt what shed his skin. He's the ghost, and he walks within. And he walks within.
I see no light, yet I shine clear. Walk through fear that disappears. They whisper lies in polished tone, but ghosts don't care for borrowed thrones. I once was man with heart and trust, but the world turned both to dust. Now I float through smoke and sin, a quiet storm still within. No pity left, no need for fame, just shadows that whisper my name. I move through time with steady grace, no human left behind this face. I live for truth, for blood, for kin, for loyalty rare as untainted skin. And those who dare to test my steel end up gone against their will.
I don't bleed, I burn.
You're the lesson they never learn.
I don't forgive, I don't forget.
Every lie's a lifetime debt.
I walk unseen, I breathe no more.
Still the world shakes when your spirit roars.
You died once, but the truth remains. The ghost still walks unchanged.
No heart to break, no soul to lose, no ties left for them to use. They think I'm gone, I let them guess. Death was peace, but life was less. Now I'm free, beyond their sin. The ghost they made won't die again. No mercy left, no mask, no spin. I walk alone, and I walk within.